What is going on, everyone? If you guys are new to the channel, I'm the Print House. I have loads and loads of videos on my channel related to 3D printing and other hobbyist stuff. This is my unboxing of the LuckyBot. Guys, this was on Kickstarter. I have my pledge right here. So the LuckyBot, I'm sure you guys know, but if you don't, the LuckyBot, it is a food extruder, so you can print chocolate, cheese, whatever, jellies, butter, pretty much anything they can shove into the LuckyBot, it can extrude it. So I have tons and tons of videos with this coming to the channel very soon. But first, we're gonna unbox it and we're gonna jump right in. So guys, this is the box they sent me. Now I don't know if this is their retail packaging, but this is what I have, and I'm a little bit concerned. Okay, I have a hole in the box right here. Just a little bit concerned, but anyway, I don't know if there is another box on the inside, but this is what I have. So I've got the shipping label here. It is just a very inconspicuous white box that says LuckyBot, WeBox, LuckyBot Food Extruder. I don't know. We're gonna see what's inside, and I mean, I'm hoping the packaging was a little better than it sounds, because I'm a little bit scared, but we will see. Okay, let's see. I have at the very top, package B, packing list, 1 LuckyBot standard, 2 AC/DC adapters, 12 volt, 36 watt, 3 ZAxis extension plate. That is to extend the axis of whatever printer I put it on, because the LuckyBot is really, really tall. And then 4 pieces, and then there is some handwritten notes down here at the bottom. I'm guessing that's just quality inspection, but so that is what should be in the box. Everything appears to be in separate boxes. This box has a little bit of damage. We will see. So I have 2 sets of 4 chocolate tubes. Let's see. I have number 4 tubes, 4 pieces. Okay, yeah, quantity 2, 4-piece box, AC/DC adapter, and the LuckyBot. This is what everyone wants to see. We will get to this momentarily. So these chocolate tubes, they are, oh gosh, let's see, they are individually sealed. I don't know if these can be reused. I backed this and was incredibly excited for it. I have no idea how this works. So what it looks like is, if you can fill this with chocolate or whatever material you're trying to extrude, okay, you've got a plunger, and my guess is this is so you can have lots of large prints. I don't know, just a guess. Honestly, a total guess. You can have bigger prints, and you can have some of these filled or ready to be filled, and if you need to do a refill on your printing material, chocolate, whatever, cheese, I don't know, that you can just, pop one of these out and pop the new one in. Like I said, guys, total guess. But so these tubes, I don't know how big they are. If I can find that, I'll have that right here on the video. In terms of the size of a water bottle, you can see right here, it's fairly small. This might have been listed on the Kickstarter page, I don't know. But so these are the tubes, and so the package I got came with 8 total tubes. Now these tubes, I don't know what the retail will come with. This possibly was just a Kickstarter. I backed this a long time ago. Sorry, I'm really not sure. Like I said, I've got the pledge posted at the beginning of the video, so you guys can rewind back to that and see everything that my pledge came with. Now, the WL wheel. I believe this is the X-axis piece that I popped off of my printer. I attach this, and then the LuckyBot attaches to it, and that is what it appears to be. I don't believe this is any impressive material. It just feels like standard, cheaper 3D printing, 3D printer material that the rest of the printers are made of. But this way I don't have to print off the bracket. So the LuckyBot should mount onto this, as this can go across my x-axis. And then we have some hardware, and it looks like just 3 screws to attach the LuckyBot, is my guess, because there's only 3 screws in here. So I feel compelled for this to be a complete video to unbox the charger, or not the charger, the power adapter. So we will do that. I'm not sure, maybe this is going to be some kind of funny power adapter. I have no idea. So it appears like a funny power adapter. So I have absolutely no idea how this is going to function. I'm sure when I unbox the actual LuckyBot it will be obvious. But this is very peculiar. Maybe, I don't know. I don't want to speculate. Now, LuckyBot, it is packaged very well. This is weighty. This is quite weighty. So I'm excited to see the quality in this product. So this is the LuckyBot. Now, like I said, this is heavy. So once this is installed on your printer, you are probably going to want to do multiple sets of calibration. You're probably going to want to calibrate your x-axis motor, possibly your z-axis motor, and you're probably going to want to calibrate the extruder. This is going to have to be a full calibration, so you're not going to want to be pulling this on and off, is my guess. But anyway, so this is just an unboxing video. We can speculate about all of the calibration later. Now, on the back of this box, we have LuckyBot 3D or Food 3D printer extruder, control temp range 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. It has plus or minus plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius accuracy. 4 times a second is its refresh rate. I have no idea what that means, but anyway, these are all boring things that we don't care about. We want the LuckyBot. We are going to get to it. Let's go. All right, guys, this box is like incredibly thick. I wish I had my dial caliper or my digital caliper. This box is really, really nice. And we have packaging or instructions. So these instructions, they come with the packaging list. Now, it appears as though the instructions on here only show 1 tube. Again, I don't want to speculate, but the 4 tubes might have been a Kickstarter thing. And then we have, I did not see any instructions on how to attach this to the printer, so there hopefully is instructions elsewhere. We have printing, I guess these are baking paper, so this is supposedly what you're supposed to print on. I'm guessing this is just wax paper, or sorry, parchment paper. If you do wax paper, you will probably get melted wax all over your printer. Parchment paper. Let's see if I can open this. You gotta be smarter than the box to get this thing out. What is this? This is some incredible packing. Oh my gosh. All right. This is some of the nicest, thickest foam I have ever seen in my life, and that is not a joke. All right, the LuckyBot right here. This is a behemoth. This thing is gigantic. All right, we'll come back to that in a minute. Now, on here, I have an accessories box and another tube. This tube appears to be bigger. Am I going crazy? Let's see. Let's see if I'm going crazy. Yep, I'm going crazy. Same size tube. Okay, so yeah, most likely I got extra tubes due to the Kickstarter campaign. So if you order this, you will most likely only receive the 1 tube that comes with it. I'm not sure if I need 8 tubes, to be honest with you. 2 of them is probably nice and all you would ever need. Alright, so in here we've got, what is this? This is the, okay, so this is the metal plate adapter. We have some wires to get this guy hooked up. Some more hardware, a lot more than 3 screws that I originally thought. Now the other problem is I don't appear to have, okay, the ZAxis Extension plate. Okay, so that's what this is. That's what this WL wheel is. So I guess this is how I extend my Z-axis. I don't know. I am totally gonna have to figure this out. This is a lot of figuring out to do. So let's see. The buttons, first thoughts, the buttons feel fairly cheap. That doesn't mean they are cheap, but normally buttons that feel, normally these cheap buttons have a certain feel, and that's what these ones kind of feel like. The unit as a whole feels heavy and weighty. It does not feel bad. So as we close this, it's got magnets on it, so there are 2 magnets on each side, and whenever you close it, there's actually pins here. So I believe these pins actually will probably tell the unit when it's closed, so that's good. Now I don't want to be spinning this when the unit is off, but it looks like incredibly simple to operate. My guess is you just send this extruder all the way up. You pop, you take your tube, which I'm having issues pulling out of this. I'm guessing you just, move this extruder all the way up, put your new tube in, close the door, and keep going. So I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to really tell your G-code to stop and start. This way you can do a refill. Not entirely sure how that's gonna work. Maybe you're gonna have to watch it as it prints. That is for a later video. This is just an unboxing. Yeah, so I don't know, first impressions are this is cool and I am very lost, guys, but I am excited to have this. I have lots and lots of content coming with this device, lots of chocolate printing. I mean, I have no idea. This is a world that I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have probably questions for you guys, but anyway, if you want to see more of this, guys, put some comments below. Give me a like and subscribe. Tell your friends. Tell me what you want with this device. I have so much content, but get your thoughts in and I will maybe move that to the front. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Anyway, I will be back. Stick around. I'm out. See ya.